Concepts in Manufacturing Leadership is the foundational course in manufacturing leadership training. CML includes 13 sessions that are all focused on providing leaders with the core principles to be successful in a manufacturing plant. And I developed this course material because I had such an amazing career in manufacturing that I wanted to give others the opportunity for a career jumpstart. Manufacturing is a great place to work and it offers endless learning and growth opportunities. I made manufacturing my career home, and I hope you will too. Concepts in Manufacturing Leadership include 13 sessions, plus an orientation video for new supervisors. CML covers all the critical topics that are essential for success in a manufacturing leadership role, and these include the supervisor role and the universal expectations of that role, how to intentionally walk the production floor, how to effectively deal with minor conflict, how to use the employee corrective action process, how to engage your employees, how to interview manufacturing candidates, basic Lean and Six Sigma concepts, stress management principles for supervisors, and the career path of the manufacturing supervisor, and then additionally 3 other topics that will make every supervisor more effective. Concepts in Manufacturing Leadership is designed to make you successful. Concepts in Manufacturing Leadership is designed for 4 different groups of people. First, it's designed for all the current manufacturing supervisors, regardless of their experience level. It's for those who have a growth mindset and are looking to learn new skills and knowledge and hone their existing skills too. Second, it's designed for leaders from other sectors, including our veterans who would like to move into high-paying manufacturing leadership roles. Third, CML is designed for college students and recent grads who are looking to break into manufacturing leadership as a career. And lastly, CML is designed for any shop floor associate who has the ambition to move into a manufacturing leadership role. To receive your certification in Concepts in Manufacturing Leadership, you need to complete all 13 sessions and pass the 10 question assessments at the end of each session with a score of at least 85%. Once you complete the requirements, fill out the e-form at the end of the course and a certificate will be emailed to you, along with a course validation letter from me. You want to enroll in CML to advance your knowledge about manufacturing leadership, and advancing your knowledge will advance your career because you're going to be a more qualified and effective leader. After completing the CML coursework, I highly recommend that you enroll in the T4T membership program and continue on your professional development journey. Come join us and you'll be rewarded with an amazing career in manufacturing.